Vidhana Soudha, the pride of Karnataka, welcome to Bengaluru, the Silicon Valley of India. Amidst its bustling tech parks and lively streets stands a symbol of Karnataka's pride and power, Vidhana Soudha. This architectural marvel is more than just a government building. It's a testament to Karnataka's rich heritage, resilience, and visionary leadership. Let's explore its fascinating story. The story of Vidhana Soudha began in 1951 when the newly formed Mysore state, now Karnataka, needed a grand seat of governance. The project was envisioned by K. Chengalaraya Reddy, the first chief minister, and was passionately led by Kengal Hanumanthaya, the second chief minister. Inspired by the grandeur of Indo-Saracenic and Dravidian architecture, he dreamed of a structure that would represent Karnataka's strength and cultural richness. Building this colossal structure was no easy task. The foundation stone was laid in 1951, and the construction took 5 years to complete. It was built using Bangalore granite, sourced from nearby quarries. Thousands of laborers and sculptors from across Karnataka came together to make this vision a reality. Finally, on October 10th, 1956, Vidhana Soudha was inaugurated, standing as the largest legislative building in India. Spread over 60 acres, Vidhana Soudha is a masterpiece of Neo-Dravidian architecture with hints of Indo-Saracenic and Rajasthani styles. It boasts 4 domes, grand pillars, and intricate carvings that reflect Karnataka's artistic excellence. The central dome, crowned with the Indian national emblem, signifies the spirit of democracy. And here's something interesting. The iconic phrase, "Government work is God's work," is engraved at the entrance, a vision of Kengal Hanumanthaya himself. Beyond its architectural beauty, Vidhana Soudha serves as the seat of the Karnataka State Legislature. It houses the Legislative Assembly and the Legislative Council, where crucial decisions shaping the future of Karnataka are made. Over the decades, it has witnessed historic moments, fiery debates, and landmark legislations. Did you know? Vidhana Soudha has a twin building called Vikasa Soudha, built in 2005 to accommodate additional government offices. Also, every independent
80.